Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022. Question number 9. Question is in the house of probability. What is the probability that a point xy picked uniformly at random from the disc x square plus y square less or equal to 1 satisfied x plus y less or equal to 1? Okay. So now here a straight line and a circle is given here. So just look at this. At first this is the axis, okay, and this was the circle. So this is the circle and here is the line. The point it is 1 comma 0 and the point is 0 comma 1. So this line is x plus y, that is equal to 1. So now this area, the shaded area, is favorable. This is our favorable area. So now random, what is the probability? So the probability is area it is the circle, x square plus y square is equals to 1, and this is the line. So this is the line. So now area of shaded part divide total area. Okay, so that is equal to area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part is what? This is the 3/4 portion of the total area. So now 3/4 into total area is pi r square. So that is pi r means 1 here. So pi 1 square. 1 is the radius of the circle, as it is x square plus y square is equal to 1 is the circle here. So 3/4 pi into 1 square plus now the triangle portion. So shaded part is triangle. So triangle is equal to half into 1 into 1. Okay. Now total area is pi into 1 square. Okay. So now calculate it. So that is equal to 3/4 pi plus half by pi. So that is equal to pi is cancelled off. So that is equal to pi by 3/4 only, plus it become 1 by 2 pi. Become 1 by 2 pi here. So now let's check the option. So just check the option we reached. It is our required answer, and our option is so look at the option C. This is 3/4 by 2/4 pi. So 2 and 4 is cancelled off. If it become 2 by 1 by 2 pi. So option C is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 9. Now moving to question 10. So question 10 is also a question in the house of probability, and it is also a GATE sample question of engineering mathematics. So here a point is chosen at random from the unit square ABCD. The probability that it is in triangle ABD, given that it is a triangle of ABC, is okay. So this is also a GATE sample question, and question is in the house of probability. So at first we draw the square. So this is our square. So it is 1 unit square. Okay, and diagonals are this. So this portion is the favorable region. It is favorable region. Okay, so this is if we count, this is 1 unit square, as it is unit square, so it is 1 unit square, means 1 is the unit of this whole. So this portion is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is 1 by 4. Now complete area 1 by 1 cross 1, so it is 1 by 4, as because it is the square. So now move on to the solution. So ABC, now just named it A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, just imagine this triangle. So this is the reduced sample. Okay, so therefore now area of triangle ABC, that is equal to what? Half into 1 into 1, as it is 1 unit height and distance, so that base and height is 1 1, so that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now now the now ABD is given the triangle and ABC, so now it become 1 by 4 divide area of triangle ABC. So the answer is 1 by 4 by half, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Okay, so we reached the probability, that is the triangle ABC is given in the triangle ABC is ABD, it is given in the triangle ABC. So this is our required answer. So we reached. So these are the 2 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.